welcome back to B&H Fishing.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. And now we are going to be using a wax worm to catch tiny fish, and then we're going to put the tiny fish on the hook, let it swim, and hopefully we can catch a bass.
So guys, right now I'm putting on my wax worm. I'm grabbing it. That would not have been good. Wax worms smell, but they're mostly alive. There we go. There it is. Shoot, guys, I need to put a bobber on. Okay, I'm putting my bobber on right now. I usually put it like 3 feet. Yeah. Well, we know there's a lot of bluegill over here. They're all over. I don't know why I've always put my bobber on where I put it through, wrap it around like 2 or 3 times, and then I put it back through the loop. Okay. Got it. Sorry I didn't show you guys. Wasn't really paying attention. What the heck? Fellas, my wax worm came off. I did not put it on right. So I gotta put it on the way I did. The right way? The right way. The good way. Guys, I love making Beckett mad. Let's go catch some fish. Okay guys, so I'm getting on here. Okay guys, I have my bait in. I don't know if you guys can see it. But in the water. They're biting at it, guys. Fine. Okay, guys. Dropping it in the water.
I have one.
Oh, Beckett's got one.
I just need a bigger hook.
Oh, I got one.